So this is a short video about this tire stand that I built for changing motorcycle tires. So I work construction and I get a lot of scrap iron for free. This angle iron right here is about a 3" by 3" angle iron. This is another piece of scrap. I think that's probably a 2" square tube, and then just some more construction angle iron 3 by 3. I think that's the same size. So I just welded that together. This is about 18" legs on each one of those if you want to build one of these, and then it's about 3 feet high. You can make the height difference. I mean, I think that making this height right here should be about the same inseam as your pants if you're building it to yourself. And then the bolt that I used on the top of here, this is an M12 metric bolt because it fits in the inside of the diameter of a lot of pit bikes that I work on. If you only work on nicer, bigger Japanese dirt bikes for changing tires, then I would say put like an M15 bolt in there, but I can change bigger tires and smaller tires with this one. So M12 bolt, this is about 36 inches for me. If you're not as tall as I am, I'd say like do a 32" tall, and I just welded a piece of angle iron on the top of there. But this is 6.5 inches sticking up, and then this is just a piece of a cutting board that I bought somewhere. So anyways, I built my own tire stand. And here's this little 1417 125cc pit bike that I got for really cheap. I put the eBay engine in it for $260. So when I say 1417, I mean the rear tire is 14 inches and the front tire is 17. So it's me putting this on here. And that center axle thing. So I've got my little pit bike thing on there, and oh, and then for changing tires, I bought this Amazon 3-spoon kit. It comes with the 3 tire changing spoon, some valve stem equipment to take the valve stem out, and then these rim guards right here. And then this is an aftermarket tire changing tool which hooks onto the rim after you kind of get the tire on or off going or whatever, and it holds it there so you don't have to use one of your tire spoons. I might do a separate video about how to change tires, but yeah, that's kind of what I got going on. I built this, and then I bought those on Amazon, and let's see if I can change this.